Luna, guys, currently trading at $78.63, ranked number 9, guys, with a market cap of 28 billion, guys. Now, you're looking for trading, hodling this thing's on almost every platform. It's on Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io. So you're looking for trading, guys. This thing's 100% available. Now let's look at its rating. It has a triple B from positive outlook and is in the top 95, look at that, top 90% of cryptocurrencies of them rating. That is massive, guys. So when it comes to this cryptocurrency, let's head to the website, terra.money, programmable money for the internet. So if you learn more about their cryptocurrency, want to learn more about what they do, just check out their website, guys. But here's some news about them. It just came out a few days ago. Terraform Lab launches global founder fellowship with participating partners including Jump Crypto, Delphi Digital, and Outlier Ventures, and more. So you want to learn more about this cryptocurrency news? Well, let's head straight into that price prediction, guys.
Eat, sleep, trade, repeat.
We're on the daily right here. So we got this support right here where it's currently at. That's a lot better. So we got this current support where it's at, the $76. Now I think that when it comes to this, it's going to break down. It's going to not. It might pop up a little bit, but I think ultimately it's going to head down to this support zone down here, especially with this head and shoulders. So it might pop up a little bit up here temporarily, or any of this down here, but I think ultimately it might be heading down to this support zone. Now, a head and shoulders is basically, here's the head right here. There's the shoulders. It's gonna make the third shoulder, the second shoulder, and head possibly down. Now, guys, this is a simple analysis. I'm not planning on buying this crypto even for a short term, unless it's getting down here to the 50 level. If it hits down to the 50s, that's my price prediction, $50. If it hits $50, then I'll be interested in looking at buying it. But I see the momentum of it possibly popping up and heading down lower. It has been taking some losses. But what are your guys' thoughts, guys? This is a very simple analysis. I think that it is going to go down, maybe pop up a little bit, but ultimately head down to the $50 level. But if you guys have any questions or comments, guys, let me know. Head straight to my website, guys, on Mcclendon.com. If you want to learn more about trading, crypto, indicators, or making your indicator, just let me know. We'll have that discussion. If you want to contact me, go down to the bottom, book a meeting, and we have that conversation. But I'll see you guys on the next video.